Whether we're preparing a stir-fry dish or whipping up pasta, so many of us utilize processed oils in our daily lives and can't imagine cooking without them. Many nutritional experts agree that cooking frequently with and consuming processed oils can rack up extra deceiving calories that make it much more difficult to stay on track regarding healthy eating and weight loss. This can be toxic or destructive to your health if consumed in excess over a long period of time. Please keep watching till the end for healthier replacements to your favorite but ultimately unhealthy processed oils. Please take a moment to like the video and also subscribe to the channel for more videos on health. Processed oils like grapeseed, soybean, canola, cottonseed, corn and vegetable oils are generally detrimental to human health and should be avoided. This is because they are heated to extremely high temperatures during processing, which oxidizes the oils. Oxidation produces free radicals that can cause damage throughout the body. As we age, our bodies have to work harder than they used to in order to recover from the damage. It is therefore prudent to limit or avoid processed oils and eat plenty of fruits and vegetables, which are high in antioxidants. Consuming plenty of antioxidants can help to protect the body from any free radicals that are produced. Most nutritionists recommend looking into the oils you use daily and avoid processed vegetable oils, canola oil, and soybean oil. One common cooking mistake that makes weight loss so much harder is cooking with these refined oils that oxidize at low smoke points. These inflammatory oils can damage cell membranes and throw off insulin sensitivity, which causes blood sugar deregulation and keeps you from losing weight. These processed oils may make your meals taste better, but they ultimately aren't very filling considering how calorie-dense they are, nor do they provide a lot of nutrients. But not to worry, you can still cook delicious meals either without processed oils or by using smaller amounts or less frequently. In fact, using oil in the cooking process can be replaced with water or low-calorie sauces. Most vegetables can be sautéed with water rather than oil. This leaves you with a much lower calorie food because you haven't introduced unnecessary calories from oil. For nutritious cooking it is advised that you use healthy fats with higher smoke points. These include avocado oil, ghee, butter, coconut oil and tallow. Extra virgin olive oil is good but heating to certain temperatures damages it, so it is recommended to use it as salad dressing. Hopefully you have learned a thing or two from this video and I encourage you to subscribe for more videos of this kind. Please don't forget to hit the like button as it helps others find this video. You can also share it with your friends. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.